Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add USDT on BEP20 BNB Smart Chain Network on Trust Wallet. This tutorial is quick and simple. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now, once you have opened up your Trust Wallet, you want to go ahead and click Manage Crypto here at the bottom, or you can also click on the right top corner and the same will open up. Now, you can either try to write down USDT and find it here, or you can go ahead and choose a network, so BNB Smart Chain, and from here you will see USDT. All you have to do is just toggle it on, go back. Now you will have your USDT on BEP20 BNB Smart Chain network, and to get it, all you have to do is either buy it with fiat money or receive it and with this address which you see on your account, and deposit money to this wallet address. If this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.